$100 billion affiliate marketing case studies in this video. Let's go. I made over $300,000 just last month with affiliate marketing. So this right here is results from Crack Revenue. It's an adult marketing network we promote a bunch of offers on, and I crushed it on that network last month. Let's go. And this right here is a screenshot from Max Bounty, which is a huge network I've been getting results with for a long time now. And these are just with my own marketing methods. So the first case study I have for you guys right now is this Semenax case study. Basically, they pay $160 on average for every single conversion that you get and every single sale that you get for their platform. So the traffic source used for this offer, for this case study that crushed it, is Traffic Junkie, is the traffic source that crushed it. The ads used for this case study are these ads right here, and these ads crushed it, bro. They made so much flipping money with these ads. Oh my gosh! These ads may seem weird and all, but this is what the offer is. It's like a semen. You could just read what it says. I'm not going to read what it says and stuff, but this offer crushes it. This offer has been around for a long freaking time on these adult networks and adult websites, and just it converts like wildfire. And just direct linking to their sales page, people buy. It's just about testing the different ads and testing what you're targeting and everything, okay? Now, the results from this case study was the ad spend was $78,000. The revenue was $236,000. And the profit was $157,000. And the campaign's time frame was just 1 month. The next case study for you is this offer over on ClickBank, and this offer is called Accelerator. It pays out $149.45. Woo! The gravity score for this offer is 1,000 people, basically. That's 1,000 people who have made money promoting this offer. It's the biggest offer on ClickBank as of right now. Now, the ads and the advertising used to crush it with this case study right here is Outbrain. Outbrain is basically a native ads freaking network that you could just crush it with. And then they used YouTube in-stream ads. YouTube in-stream ads, you know, there's just so many people on YouTube, and you could hyper-target people so flippin' well. It made a lot of money, okay, just with these traffic sources. Woo! Now, these are what the ads basically look like. Kind of showing a before and after, as you can see right there. And then showing like the results of what people can get with this product. And then people click. And because the offer is so high converting, that's why this makes money ultimately. Is because the offer is just so dang good, and the product is so great, and it just solves a problem. $58,000 spent, and the profit $125,000. And this took 2 months for them to get that result. This right here is the Chatterbait case study. The payout of this one, it varies in different amounts based off of when someone signs up on Chatterbait, you get paid 15% rev share forever. For as long as they're signed up, you get 15% rev share. So that can turn into a lot of money over time as people spend money on this offer. And this offer is on Crack Revenue! Now, the traffic sources used to crush it with this offer were Traffic Junkie, ExoClick. Now, these are the ads, and they're super blurred out for good reason, obviously. And these are basically what the ads look like. Now, they're banner ads and they're in-stream ads, which just literally crush it on these adult networks. And it's so freaking cheap. Also, I have a program on adult marketing where I teach you how to get results like me, where I'm crushing it per month. You saw I make hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. I made millions of dollars with adult marketing. You guys can do it too. And it's so flippin' possible. Let's go. The ad spend was $182,000, and the profit was $559,000 in just 2 months. 2 flippin' months, man. This is the Medicore case study. And in this case study, basically, this offer pays out $150 per sale. That's 85% commission. This is the biggest offer on Digistore. Now, in this case study, basically what they did was they promoted with Taboola advertising. It's a native ad network. Boom! The ads right here, these are basically what the ads look like. This ad basically sent people to a video. It direct linked to the offer, which is basically just a video of the offer. Because when you do a pre-sale page, it ups the offer and creates more desire for people to convert and buy the offer that you're promoting. If you send people to a video before sending them to the offer, and the video basically sells the offer, you crush it. And look at what they say inside these ads. Look what's shown inside these ads. That's why they crush it so freaking much. $221,000 in ad spend. And the profit was $376,000 in just 2.5 months, baby. Now, this offer is on a network called Max Bounty, and it's the Free Score 360 case study. And basically, this offer has a no cap. It pays $36 per lead, and they only allow one traffic source, which is email marketing. The traffic source is email marketing and direct media buys. And the big credit niche email list is what they leveraged. They leveraged like brands like Credit Karma and other big brands. They contacted the big email list owners directly to work with them, and then they started promoting this offer, and they crushed it. Basically, this is what the ad looks like if you do it as a banner ad. But basically how they did it was they wrote out their email sequence for 2 weeks, and the emails basically talked about how Free Score 360 will be the best solution, and they simply marketed that people can get their solution solved and they can find out what their credit score is fast and for free, baby. They spent $200,000 and the profit that they made was $200,000. So they made back $400,000 and they made a 2x return on their investment, which is a big deal. The email marketing sequence with each brand deal that they did, it went on for like 2 weeks, and they did 5 total deals like this, and they made a total profit of $200,000. That's crazy!